Alam mo yung mga araw talaga na ayaw mong umalis or lumabas. Tapos parang yung spirit mo parang, alam mo yung very low ba? Pero I always remind myself na every time na gusto kong humiga ng humiga, kailangan kong bumangon at lumabas. Pag gusto ko magtago, kailangan kong lumabas ng bahay. Pag gusto ko mapag-isa, kailangan kong i-expose sa sarili ko sa mas maraming tao. Ito yung mga panahon na yun. And right now, we have an ongoing event ngayong 2 to 5 p.m. And ito, pababa na ako. Minsan akala natin yung success is all about the things. The outcome, the cars, the house, tapos yung mga bagay. But what defines successful people from other people is their ability to stay in the good mood kahit hindi talaga. And ito yung mga days na, mga bad days kung iisipin natin. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na nasa bad days ka, hindi ka pwede magkaroon ng good moments. And this hour, this minute, I am choosing to have a good moment. And even if things aren't going exactly sa gusto kong puntahan, sino pipigil sa akin na maging masaya at piliin maging masaya? So yun lang, if you need some motivation right now and you're not in the good mood, things are not going in your way, then this video can be a reminder na lahat tayo pinagdadaanan natin yan. May good moments, may bad moments, may bad days, good days. Pero this may be the bad days, but you can still have a good moment.